guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today we're going to do a straight pour technique. This isn't what I typically do. I'll often do a tree ring. So this is going to be a little bit different and I'll explain what it is as I go. And I'm going to use a lot of colors like rainbow basically, but I'm using very small amounts of each color so I can get all of them in here and hopefully circle through them twice or cycle through them twice. So that was white. Here we have some razzle dazzle, and I'm not trying to perfectly match the rainbow. I'm just trying to use a bunch of fun colors. There's some primary red. We've got peachy coral. These are all Mixed Media Girl pouring paints, you guys. Tiger orange. You can see I'm just putting really small amounts in here. This is primary yellow. We've got electric lime. Meadow green, turquoise, which is the name of the color, you guys. It is a turquoise, but the name of the color is turquoise. This is primary blue, and then we've got some royal purple. And I am going to cycle through those colors again in the same order here and fill up this cup. Okay, you can see we have a nice, beautiful rainbow-filled cup here. I poured pretty slowly down the side of the cup so we didn't get too many cells and air bubbles in there. And now I'm going to pour this out slowly, and I'm going to pour it right in the center, and I'm going to lightly rotate this as I do it. It's not required, but it's just how I like to do it. And this is up on a cake spinner. This is a 12 by 12 inch canvas, and I have it held on here with a few little pieces of double-sided sticky tape. So here we go. Just going to pour right in the middle, and I'm not going to tree ring my hand or anything. I'm going to just slowly rotate this. Now when I'm pouring, I have this probably about 4 inches above the canvas. You could have a little bit closer, but it can get a little difficult. It will, how high you have it and how high you pour it from will also affect your lines on your canvas. If you're pouring it from higher, less paint is going to hit the canvas at one time. If you're pouring it from lower like this, more paint will come out. And you can kind of vary it if you'd like. I'd say actually on average I have it about 3 inches above the canvas if I'm measuring. And I'm just really, really slowly rotating here. Awesome. Well, that's really exciting. So let me go ahead and get all these bottles moved out of the way, and then we're going to spin this out a bit. Okay, here we go. The one spin almost did it. I'm going to help these corners along here just a little bit and spin one more time. Now, one of the reasons why I circled through the colors more than once is because if I did just one layer of each color, you would primarily be left with whatever colors you started in the cup with. So on this, I would pretty much only have warm colors and all the cool colors would come off. But instead now we have both. So I'm going to spin this one more time, lightly. And then we should be good. This is quite wild and fun. So there we go. Now, of course, you do not have to use rainbow colors for this. You can use whatever colors you want. If you like beachy colors, this is a great piece to do with beachy colors or all cool colors, all warm colors. It gives us this very different look that you're not really going to get with any other technique. It's kind of I call it a spin on a tree ring, but it's very different. You get this really cool kind of feathered look, and it always reminds me of like a portal to another world or like a whirlpool. It's really awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys in for a close-up. One other note real quick though is don't worry about this paint that's down here. That gets used for other projects. You could at this point take canvases and other things and dip it into the wet paint, or you can let it dry and use that in other projects such as magnets, necklaces, bookmarks, etc. And I do have many videos on this. So let's do our close-up. All right, here we go for our close-up. I love all the fun colors we've got in here. And I love the center here with the pink and white. I think it is just gorgeous. And the patterns that we got over here with the kind of feathered look. Super fun piece. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all next time.